Sobia Idris represented the nursing profession in Pakistan. Senior officers, foreign delegates, development partners, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is indeed a matter of immense pleasure to witness the convergence of leading health experts to take a leap forward towards achieving another milestone in the health sector promised by the government of Pakistan. It is a cause that is close to our hearts. Ladies and gentlemen, as has been elaborated in the different speeches today, nursing and midwifery is the backbone of health and the health sector. These are unsung heroes. They support all treatment, all direction in health, including the lady health visitors, and unrecognized, generally an unrecognized part of the profession. We need to educate them, and that is where the new nursing university is going to come up and play its role. We need to build their capacity to be of international standards, not only because of that reason, but because of the fact that increasing their capacity will result in better output of sick patients into healing. We also need to impart leadership skills, because it requires leadership at all levels. It requires leadership. It requires pre-op care, post-op care. It requires leadership in the healing. It requires leadership when they go out and inform people of Pakistan in general, particularly women, when they go out and inform about prevention in health and other issues which can be handled very easily by prevention rather than by curative care. I would like to make a few announcements, but before that, I must focus on the fact that what the world has seen. If you look at the figures of extreme poverty in the world, you will be surprised by the fact that it has come down.